We were able to transfer Angel to the bed without even waking up, which is so nice. Get everything unpacked, put away, and get into some much cooler clothes. Also take advantage of taking pictures for our 27th anniversary. When our little one woke up, we took some pictures with him as well. Then we headed out to dinner. We are eating dinner at this place called
Mitio.T.
Mitio.T. And it's like yummy, yummy tacos and steak, chicken, pork, chorizo, all the good stuff, guacamole. Angel's rubbing it all, including the guacamole. You got a lollipop after dinner? This is one of our favorite places to eat. We come here every time. Their tacos are so yummy and so cheap.
Especially on 2 for 1 night, man.
Yeah, I didn't even know it was 2 for 1 night, huh? We filled up. Good morning. It is 7:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning, I think, here. And we woke up and had some breakfast already. Well, some muffins and some coffee in our room. We're getting ready to head to the beach. So I'm going to show you real quick the place that we stay every time we come here. It's this cute little big house. And it's got, I think, 6 individual rooms that they rent out for Airbnb. The garage area where we usually park every night with our truck, but there was a car parked right in front of the gate last night, so we couldn't come in with the truck, so we just parked on the street, but very cool. And they got a refrige that we can use, and there's bottled water because you don't drink the water. So, and then when you come this way, this is down where the rooms are. So, morning! Second dress, second day. I'm so excited. Except, ooh, this girl is white. Look how white she is. Time to tan. So excited. Yeah, so this is the room we stayed in last time, was number 1. It's a big, big room. So Angel had this huge play area to play in on the bottom, in the floor. They have a wash machine, so you don't have to go home with dirty clothes, which we love. Those stairs just lead up to the roof, where they have, like, you know, the Pila and the propane tanks and the air conditioners and stuff like that. So, and we're actually staying in number 3 this time. So, and then it goes down, and there's 2 more rooms down there. But none of this was here last time. Either these flowers, they're so beautiful. So they're really making it nice. So, let's bust in on them. We're busting in on you guys. Oh, look at my little man. Look at you. So, we did some shopping last night. Our little monster. So you say hi. Say good morning. No. Fine. Angel, what's this?
No.
Nose. What's this? You're so funny. Anyway, we went to Walmart last night. So this is our room. So it's a bed. It's perfect for us for the 3 days that we're here. Are you leaving?
Mama.
Bye-bye. His hair is getting so long, and because we're here, his hair is just like mine in the humidity. It just like poofs way out with a big, massive ball of fur in the back. So we got new sandals. Angel, stop. Turn around. Okay. You can go with that. Hold on. Stop. Look. So we've just arrived at Linda Playa Hotel, which is where we're gonna swim and everything today. And he is knocked out. Look, we turned his car seat around just for today so he could see. But yeah, so we're just sitting in the car. I don't really want to wake him up yet, but we do need to go get breakfast. He's already been sleeping like 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna probably give it like another 10, maybe 15 minutes, and then we'll take him out and go get some breakfast. But he's sleeping so good. Daddy ran into the hotel to see, you know, like what everything costs and get a day pass for their pool and stuff like that. So just waiting for him to come back. But yeah, so we've arrived. Let's go eat breakfast. Come on. Follow Daddy. Your chicken's running from you, buddy.
Chicken's out of here, man.
He's like, you look like you want me for breakfast.
Come here, baby. Come in. Yeah, come on.
Did you grab his booster? Okay, come on, let's go eat breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. We're hungry.
Let's go eat some food.
You gonna dance? Come with mommy. Daddy's just gonna get your booster.
Go with mommy. Follow mommy. Go get mommy.
Go get a table. You pick the table. Is it a bird? Pigeon, huh?
Look at the pigeon. There he goes, huh? All the birds run away from you, huh?
Oh, but look at there's birds in the cage.
Look at these birds.
Come over here.
Look at those loros.
Tommy.
Look at that.
Tommy Mancito. Tommy. Hola, Tommy.
Dice hola.
Tommy. Este es el que habla.
Oh. That one talks, baby.
Oh, no me molesta. Yeah.
Yeah, a bunch of them,
Parrots,
huh?
huh?
Pa. Yeah, he's pa, pa, parrot. Or
Parrot.
in Espanol is loro. Can you do la 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 la? La la, loro. Yeah. He says no. Which one? The platanos are hot? Oh yeah, they are. Eat your eggs first, okay? Let these cool down. Oops, mommy's spilling coffee. They're plastic tables. Okay, here, eat your eggs. Focus on your eggs. Do you want your fork? We got birds by our table, parrots. One of them grabbed a hold of Daddy already. Angel's talking back to him. You gonna use your fork or no? No, we don't use our fork. Huh? How is it? Plátanos,
¿No puede tener salsita, mira?
huevos.
Salsita, jefa.
Pica mucho.
Poquito.
Okay, bien. I got shrimp, eggs. Why am I blurry? There we go. Shrimp, eggs, plátanos, frijoles, chips, and fresh tortillas. She was making them right over there. Look at all them birds. Can't really see them because they're in the shadows right above my head. So rock me, Daddy!
It's too high.
Yay! You like that? That's a different kind of tire swing. Huh? They just shaped it out of a tire. Not like what we grew up with. Are you having fun? Are you crying? Are you driving, I mean? You're done? Okay.
Mommy says the sand's not too hot.
We'll let you know. Welcome to the Pacific Ocean in Mexico. The place is empty. That's why we travel during the week. Although the water here is really, really bad, dangerous, so you can't go in it.
Listen how strong it is. Look at that. Like the wave crashed and it was like pulling back at the same time. You can see the turbulence.
Yeah.
Beautiful though. Those are some nice waves. Dangerous. Nice waves.
Yeah. Look at her. Look at that. Pull her right in. What's that on hell?
The ocean.
Say
huh?
ocean or mar?
Mar.
We can touch the water. Is it gonna come to you? Let's see. Here it comes. Woo! Got your feet. Yeah, and just so you're wondering, we don't swim in the ocean. There's a pool. All the hotels and hostels around here have pools. That's where everybody swims. So. What do you think on hell? Do you like it or no? This one's not gonna make it either. But that one should. The next one, honey. Here it comes, rising up. Maybe if you surf? I don't know much about surfing. Beautiful though, huh? Gonna go down a little bit more? Yeah, I thought for sure that one was gonna come up, and it did, but way over there. Didn't come up to us. It's not gonna come.
Tide's going out.
Yeah. Oh, that one's gonna get ya. Daddy didn't want to get his shoes wet. Because you got tennis shoes on. I hope you've enjoyed day 1 and the morning of day 2 of our trip. We're really enjoying it. I'm splitting this vlog into several because it's a lot of video and I don't want to bore you with another 30 minutes. So stay tuned to our next one. We'll see you soon. Bye.